Luna, what are you doing up there? Why are you in the bathroom? I'm just gonna make a little bit of breakfast before I go to the gym today. So I'm gonna use this coconut cream by Viva Pura. It's the most amazing stuff ever. I've never had coconut cream before. Whew, it's good. So this is a simple sauce that I usually make. It's just tamari, probably 2 tablespoons of tamari, some Sicilian date syrup, 2 tablespoons of that, and then I like this really garlicky, so I always add in about a tablespoon of garlic powder, and then I add in some red pepper flakes, and then just a little bit of water. Just mix that up. So as you can see, this is the amount of vegetables that I'll put in like a stir fry for myself. Probably the amount that I would use in a salad as well. Whew. I've also been going to the gym pretty consistently, about 3 times per week, just for the sole fact that I want to get stronger so that I can be better at my yoga postures and feel more balanced and strong when I'm doing them. I haven't been going to the gym to like build a bigger butt, which is usually my reasoning before. I've been doing a lot of shoulder workouts, a lot of chest workouts, and I feel like yoga has also just helped me gain strength a lot as well, just by itself, and balance. I guess in essence, I've just gone back to eating my lean and clean plan that I promote. I got really off track eating a lot of bread and a lot of pizza and a lot of stuff, vegan cheeses and field roast burgers. Not that they're bad, just that they don't make me feel my optimal best. So I've just gone back to eating my program and I've been feeling a lot better, feeling a lot leaner, feeling Just very happy, not even just happy, but more balanced, comfortable, and satisfied with what I'm eating. I've really gotten over the body dysmorphia, and if you guys want, let me know in the comments below. I can make another video about that. But yeah, I'm really just looking to nourish my body from this point forward with movement that I love, with food that I love, food that I really believe is going to give me the healthiest body as well. So yeah, eating lean and clean has helped me a lot. Except for some things do have salt, like obviously that sauce has salt, but most of my food is salt-free. I don't add any additional salt to it, so the only salt that I get in my diet is really from tomatoes, canned tomatoes. Sometimes like hummus will have salt in it, which I don't really care about, but I don't add table salt or bouillon or anything like that to my food, and it's just made me feel really good. So we haven't done a sale on our ebooks in a long time, so if you have not checked out any of our books, we have an Instant Pot recipe book, we have my Lean and Clean Weight Loss Guide, that is definitely our best seller, and the transformations that people have are just amazing. And then we have 3 other recipe books as well that are all whole foods, plant-based, oil-free. So this weekend we're gonna give you guys 40% off just because we feel bad that we haven't had a sale in so long. And we never have sales that are 40% off. The only biggest sale of the year that we have is Black Friday, and that's 50% off. Just use the code SPRING to get 40% off, and we have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there really is no risk at all with buying our books. So check that out if you want. I'm gonna continue making my lunch. I just got done with my noodles.